You may have spotted we're at Silverstone today. We're going to have a chat with Ben from BW Precision. So let's go inside. So Ben, I've done a little bit of research on the company.
Good.
I appreciate your honesty in terms of most engineers aspire to on time, decent price, quality. You don't do that, do you?
No, we don't like to deliver on time. Quality is irrelevant and price, well, need to maximise it. But no, in all seriousness, precision is the key. That's what we're in, that's what we want to do.
Appreciate your honesty on that one. But like I say, precision is the key. In that aspect, just looking around, machines you've got, Miyano, CMZ.
Yeah, the reason we are a huge fan of the Miyano is it can deal with small components up to 34mm diameter. And a typical part of that would be something like this, aluminium turn part with a little bit of live tooling on. And it can hold consistency of 3 or 4 microns on a run. So that's why we're a big fan of the Miyano. Regards to CMZ that stood behind you, the reason we purchased that is value for money, a very good machine, but it can also do bigger turn parts with live tooling as well, which gives us more flexibility. And again, this is a typical example of something that can come off complete off the machine, so less operations, quicker delivery. So customer and will be happy with that.
Okay, say customers, what industries do you work with?
Well, the obvious one, because we're based at Silverstone by default, is motorsport, and there's various formulas, Formula 1, Formula 4 and Le Mans, but we do a lot with a particular race team not too far from here, Red Bull, but also we deal with horology, watchmaking, electronics, medical, agricultural, through to the chap that will walk through the door and say, can you do this? So it's a very mixed bag.
Gotcha. Now, some of that, a lot of those industries there, precision parts, I think that leads in nicely to Calvin, who you've taken on recently. So I'll go and have a quick chat with him. Brilliant. Calvin, hello.
Hi, how are you doing?
Now, I've been chatting with Ben. I understand you've been brought in to specifically help with the sort of inspection, tolerances, performance of the business. Is that right?
That's right. I've been here 12 months now. At the beginning, we put a lot of new procedures in place. We've grounded them down and we're starting to see good results from those now. Any
particular sort of figures you can give us to just sort of reiterate that?
Yeah, of course. We've done just over 64,000 components so far in the last 12 months that I've been here, and just calculated the results, and we've got a 0.08% of a rejection rate, so quite happy with that.
Yeah, very impressive. Any sort of firms or work you've done with specifically?
Yeah, the main point of coming in was particularly for our Formula 1 sector that we deal with, make sure that we get consistency and bring those NCRs down. Red Bull Racing being one of our major customers in that sector. Pleased to say that we've now gone 9 consecutive months without an NCR and produced a lot of quality parts for them.
Excellent. Calvin, that's great work. Thank you very much.
No problem. Thank you.
Okay, so Calvin's obviously a great asset to the business and really taken out inspection, tolerance levels right up, which is fantastic. Looking around though, the machine shop, no 5-axis machines?
No, we're a small business, and in fairness, with the machines that we've got and the staff we've got, we push the boundaries and the technology, innovative, and we're tooling. We can get jobs done in the same fashion, not maybe as quickly, but certainly in terms of quality, we can certainly do it. So we do push the engineers to the limit, but something like 5-axis is something as a business that we're looking to do, hopefully within the next 12 months.
Okay, so really using your staff's experience and skill set to get that performance out of the machines.
Exactly. Just test them every day, keep them on their toes. No job's the same.
Okay, now then, what are your plans going forward then?
In 12 months' time, we'd like to probably expand by getting another 1 or 2 lathes. But I mentioned the 5-axis, more staff obviously, and also looking at apprenticeships, because I think the skill set that we've got here needs to be passed down to the next generation, because the future is, as you know, is a bit bleak for engineers. So hopefully we can pass on our skill set and keep the company going longer. Fantastic.
Ben, thank you very much for your time. Thanks for showing us around. Great team and great to meet you.
Pleasure to have you.